Hey, what's up guys? Okay, we're gonna be making lemon pepper wings. First we're gonna clean the chicken. We're gonna rinse it off and make sure it's completely clean. Next we're gonna try to dry the chicken as much as possible with paper towel. Excuse the gloves, I did not want the chicken on my hands. Then we're gonna put the chicken into the deep fryer. I have seasoned it lightly with salt and pepper. If you don't have a deep fryer, you can use a pot with cooking oil. Next, we're gonna grab some extra virgin olive oil and some lemon pepper seasoning. We're gonna take 2 tablespoons of the extra virgin olive oil and 1 tablespoon of the lemon pepper seasoning. Then we're gonna mix those together. Then we're gonna toss the chicken into the mixture. If you want, at the end you can add extra lemon pepper seasoning on top. And there you have it guys, super easy lemon pepper wings.